Right, Mommy's got something to say.
Yeah.
As you could tell, Daddy's still asleep. We were up all night eating his sweets. Hi guys! The kids had a total wonderful night last night, and it was Halloween night, so hope you guys enjoyed. Comment below what you did yesterday. It is now 1:45, nearly. I made pumpkin bread last night. It's in here guys, again. Cannot wait. Well, basically, there it is guys. It is moist, it's covered, it is delicious. So, I am going to enjoy my cup of tea. The kids had a bucket of trick-or-treats. This is Thomas's, and I'll show you Amy's later. Amy's is upstairs, so basically the kids is upstairs. I'm going to enjoy my cup of tea, and we'll sort of log out with Ranger in a little bit later. So, what have you guys been up to today, which is Wednesday? We got Kieran coming over tomorrow from 10 till 4, and of course, Leighton has got man flu, meaning he's not well. He's having a shower right now as I speak, and yeah, I'm gonna enjoy my cup of tea and see what the day will bring. Guys, look at this. This is our shell picking from the other day at Checker Bay, and we got gorgeous ones. I'm leaving them in here because I left them soaked, so basically we're gonna put a shelf in the bathroom or some sort and put these on there. What do you think guys? They are awesome. We're gonna do shell picking to see what beautiful shells we can get one day. This one here was a twirly whirly one, but it's got broken, but yeah, we'll sort the broken ones out soon, and then we'll keep the ones that's whole and see what comes. But yeah, just cleaning the shells. This one again, I don't know what is it guys, but if you could comment below what it is, that'd be okay. But it's got a slight hole in it if you can see through it. Anyway, beautiful shells, give it that. Got different coloured ones. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Say hi!
Hi.
Mummy's got some news to tell you. Do you want to hear the news?
Yeah.
Right, we are going to watch the fireworks in, guess what? Parker Scarlett's! We got tickets, so yes, that's a surprise. We're gonna see a firework display with the kids. Hopefully they're gonna enjoy. So that's where we'll be Sunday. What guys are you gonna do Sunday? Are you gonna do your own fireworks, or are you gonna do your own are you going to a display that you'll be safer that way? I reckon it's going to be an awesome night. Possibly I can take a few snacks with us and hot drinks and see how we go. So yes, I'll show you the seating plan where we're going to sit, and yeah, I'm going to surprise Amy. Hi.
Hi.
Morning.
Morning.
What are you on?
Wheel.
What?
Wheel.
What are you on? What are you doing?
Watching something.
Watching something. Right, Amy, I've got something to tell you.
What?
Right. How about if we go into the firework display on Sunday? Guess where? We are going to Pack of Scarlets.
Let's do that.
We are going to Pack of Scarlets. I got tickets now. Yeah?
Yeah.
So we are going to watch Pack of Scarlet's fireworks display with people singing from The Voice. People singing from The Voice. So basically there's going to be a few singers there, and then hopefully it's going to be an enjoyable night. You were still not well, didn't you? Huh?
No, not well.
Huh?
I overdone it yesterday.
Yeah. Poor, innit? Still got man flu, of course, innit? So I'm going to do breakfast now and hopefully settle down later. You know, just like watch a few movies and that. We may get tickets today or tomorrow or even Sunday for the firework display. So yes, happy days, guys. Welcome. We are going to possibly the Ranger Hobbycraft for some lettering, and it's going to be cool. I've started to do the cocktail bowls with some baubles. They're like Christmas ones, but it's so lush that I can do something like that. I've seen it on Pinterest, so I'm going to show you the decorations for Dad's birthday. So it's going to be awesome, guys, and the theme is black and silver. So yep, that's what we're going to do. Right, Mommy's got something to say.
Yeah.
As you could tell, Daddy's still asleep. We were up all night eating his sweets.
What?
And you? I've eaten all your sweets from last night.
No. I'm gonna check.
No, I got a bucket here. Listen, no. This is Thomas's. This is yours.
You're eating all mine. You're eating all mine. Eating all mine.
Hey Mia. Hey Mia. I was only joking. I was only joking, baby. Do you know where yours is? Hi guys.
Hi guys.
What are you
We
watching?
need to go and find like a plastic storage box or like a
Gibson's vlog.
of some kind to pack it all
They
into,
are awesome, guys.
so that
Go
it can
check
up
them
and be
out.
stored ready for next year's Halloween.
I will leave a link down below
We do love
if my husband can help me
And
today.
Speaking of Halloween,
I don't think
these
he's
are
going
the
to work
Halloween
today.
buckets.
And you
And not
later,
only have we got all of these,
depending how
but
he feels later.
we
So
have
I filled the buckets
all
back
of
up.
these.
Amy's, where's yours?
I think possibly
Where's
we
yours?
might have bought too much. There is just this
Yeah, I filled hers back up, and I'm going to fill yours back up in a minute. Yeah, it's
for
okay. But yeah, I felt sorry for them in actually showing all of these empty wrappers, guys. Seriously,
I was crying.
you were crying.
I was crying.
Thomas was on the verge of crying, isn't there?
What? He did not cry.
Yeah. Sorry.
And actually being in B&M then just showed me.
Sorry, I haven't done my hair yet. I'm gonna turn this down. But yeah, these guys are awesome. The Gibson's vlogs. So one day, hopefully, we'll meet them by person. One day, if we get a catch up. But look at this, guys. It's very settled. It's not raining. It's dry, and they still got the clothes on the line. Awesome or what? And to be honest, if I zoom in,
Let me try that.
this galvanise right there, the one that's getting fixed, we're gonna have a simple kind of gate that opens and closes. So, are you gonna go downstairs now?
Yeah.
Go on then, go downstairs and Mummy do pancakes for breakfast. Well, you can if you're quiet. Because Mummy's trying to film. Yes, good boy, well done. We got another cat, guys. We rehomed it last night, leave it. She's here. Amy's named her Bella, and we took her in because she was on the streets and she was a bit lost. Isn't it, Bella? Yeah, she's, okay, she's resting there. She's like sprawled out on the couch. She's so funny. Molly hasn't took to her as yet, and I need to open the windows and get the smelly poo out because she's pooed on the carpet right there. Nice. But I put the feces of what she done in her litter tray, so hopefully she can poo in a litter tray as her centre's in there now. So give it that. We're gonna actually get her to see if she's microchipped today, and fingers crossed if she has got a microchip we can give it back to the person that she came from, or if she hasn't got anybody that nobody's gonna own her up, or if she's lost, we may keep her depending on. So I turned off the lights. Amy's card still needs to come down, so that's what we're gonna do today. All the decorations are down, guys, except that, and I don't know where is it, guys? Well, somewhere over there's a pin up on the ceiling. So are we ready for pancakes? Yes, Mummy's. I'm going to do a little bit of tidying in here. Can you tidy the living room up for Mummy? Yes, we're going to tidy up. Guys, that was one of the Jimmy Kendall's, I don't know how to call it. Basically, Jimmy Kendall actually done a video. I don't know how. Link it below, guys. I've done that video. Amy was crying. I had to give him back his sweets, so I'm gonna give Thomas his sweets later on. But that was just awesome. We watched the Gibson's vlogs yesterday. Well, I watched it last night, and I seen it. Awesome, guys. Well done. So yes, I am going to get some newspapers now and hopefully find out where the cat has come from and see if he belongs to a house that I know. If not, I will ask around there and possibly we'll find some answers today. If we don't, the cat is going to stay with us for a while. If nobody turns up or if nobody shares anything on Facebook. But we may get it microchipped later on, so fingers crossed, guys. Maybe microchipped that he may go back to his place, or otherwise we're going to keep it and Amy loves her. She's actually named it Bella. And Molly's still here, guys. Innit? Molly's still here. So, yes. I'm going to get some papers. I'm going to do a paper mache. And I'm going to be busy for my dad's birthday. So basically, going to do decorations today. I done it the other day too, so I'll show you what decorations I've done. And we'll be ready for tomorrow. Catch you guys later. Bye. Hi guys. Went to get newspapers. And I'm going to get the kids to have a little bit of time of the local shop as they got a new opening day. So they're going to do face painting. They got vouchers that we can go. I've won a sandwich meal deal, so we're going to get that after. And of course, Leighton's still not feeling very well. So hopefully this flu thing doesn't go on a fortnight. But some people actually get a fortnight. It lasts upon a fortnight and is affecting Leighton's chest as he's asthmatic. Yay! Are we on a teacup, Thomas?
Yeah.
Yay! Whee! Trying to spin? Shall we spin? Yeah? Whee! Do you like it? Wow! Say cheese! Yay! Are you enjoying this, Thomas? Yeah, this is your favourite, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is Amy going to go on another ride after?
Faster. We're going to be faster.
We're going, isn't it?
Faster.
Mommy's feeling dizzy.
Faster.
Yeah.
Faster.
Dizzy. Stop it! Yay! Mommy's feeling dizzy now. Mommy's feeling dizzy. We gotta wait for the ride to stop, innit? Yeah? Hi, Amy's on this Miami. Mini Miami. Hi! Yeah, I know. This is where the adults rides. And these are where the children's rides is. you. Say hi. Are you cold? We are in the Scarlet Stadium and look at what we're gonna watch. There we go, guys. I don't know if you can see a plane there. That's the stage. And we are going to watch the fireworks, aren't we? Yeah? Yes, the kids are a bit cold, but we'll hang in there, guys, and we'll soon catch you later. Daddy's gonna watch this when we come back, isn't it? came home ages ago. Kids are upstairs and it is now nearly 9:30. We got sausages and mashed potatoes. Basically, I couldn't do the gravy because we had gravy earlier, so I'm just doing mashed potatoes and sausages. So these are for the kids, and I'm going to take them up. We're going to sit on a bed and watch the fireworks from the window. But we enjoyed Park of Scarlett. It was excellent. I've got the videos linked into this. So basically I am going to upload these guys. This is my laptop. I like this. I'm most likely want to use it a little bit more for uploading, but if it is, and Leighton's got my uploads software on it, so yay, awesome. I think I can hear some, I'm not too sure. I can't see them inside, guys. But no, we're going to enjoy sausage and mash and hot chocolate.
Pardon me, sometimes when you're letting me around, don't think it's just a popularity. I need to let you know that we will never know.
Hi guys, we are watching fireworks from our bedroom window. I don't know if you can see, guys, but you can see the reflection of the landing. But we are chilling out, having our sausages and mash. And hot chocolate, of course. So, yeah. And Thomas's monkey is right by here. Isn't it? But yeah, we had an awesome day, guys. Are you enjoying the hot chocolates? Yeah? I love it. I don't know if you can see me, but comment below of your favourite time of the year. Mine is Halloween, bonfire night and Christmas. Come into that, Easter too.
I love Easter.
You love Easter? What's yours? What do you like upon a year? Do you like Christmas?
I like teacup.
No, do you like Christmas?
I like...
You like Christmas? Do you like Easter? Do you like Halloween? Do you like bonfire night? Yeah, awesome. And of course, school holidays. Yeah?
Yes.
Are you going back tomorrow, guys, aren't you? Yeah? So one last movie and then you're both going to bed, okay? So, yes, I'm going to close the vlog with the kids and we'll catch you tomorrow, guys. So, say bye-bye. So, what have you got to say? Bye-byes.
Bye.
Bye. Right. The kids want to say something and they're going to close the vlog. So, say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Thomas.
Bye.
And we're going to go. Bye.
Bless you.